Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I created these curls using flexi rods. You don't need any heat at all to create these curls, and let's get started. I'm going to first pull out one section of my hair and twirl it around this flexi rod. Now this is a flexible rod as the name suggests, so we're going to divide it into two halves and twirl that section of hair and just, twirl it around one part of this flexi rod. Now in order to secure this and hold it tight, I'm just gonna sort of press it together, and for the end I am just twisting that end and securing it nice and tight so that your curl or your hair section doesn't really fall off the rod. Now I'm pulling out another section of my hair and just gonna twirl it around the other half of the same flexi rod. Now this is a technique that I picked up from Curl Daze from Instagram and YouTube. I used to always use just one flexi rod for one section of my hair, but this sort of saves the amount of flexi rods that you need. So dividing just one into two halves actually works really well. So I'm just gonna twist it, sort of press it so that it's nice, tight and secure. And we're gonna follow the same technique again and again till the time we're done with the entire hair. And like I said, we're following the same steps once again. Just going to twirl around one section of my hair, twist the end of the flexi rod and sort of lock it once again, and follow the same thing by taking another section of my hair, twirling it around the other side of the flexi rod, and then locking that in and pressing both the sides of the flexi rod in order to keep it tight and secure. Once we are done with this side of my head, I'm going to move on and continue the same thing on the other side. And now you guys know the drill, so I'm not going to repeat the same stuff. But we're going to let these flexi rods sit on my head for about 20 minutes, I would say. The longer you can keep, the better for you. But about 20 minutes works just fine for me. So we're just going to wait it out. And now I'm going to take my hair iron and just sort of use it only for my bangs and for any hair pieces around the edges of my face. I'm following this step only to make my bangs look neater and, so that the hair looks nicely done. You do not have to follow this step if you don't need to, so that's just because I need to. I'm now opening up these flexi rods and just gonna gently sort of, untwirl and untwist wherever we've locked it, and just gonna release all of that curled section over there. And guys, I think it looks pretty decent. It doesn't look like we needed any heated tool over here. And I'm gonna follow the same I'm really excited about that. We're gonna follow the same steps again and again till the time all the hair has been nicely undone over here. And I feel like I've gotten myself to somehow get a couple of my hair strands caught up in that flexi rod, but it doesn't normally happen at all, so don't worry about that at all. I think I was just a little bit messy there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And once we are done with undoing all these rods, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with this Air Fix spray by L'Oreal. It will help me hold these curls nice and tight throughout the day. And guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I've had a couple of, I actually also went ahead and changed my lip color. I forgot to say that. I've got a couple of requests about this video. I really hope you guys found this useful, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!